Hi, are you looking for a property and too tired to do physical site visits? Well, here we are with Property Cloud bringing to you virtual site tours. Now, what exactly am I going to do? I'm going to take you through a very beautiful property. Stay with me and I'm going to give you all the details. And here I am today at Lodha Amara. Now this apartment over here is of approximately 466 square feet and it is a very beautiful apartment. You must see it from inside and then we will get to do some more talking about the booking process. Come with me. This over here is your beautiful living room, which comes with this window that will give you the best of the views in the town, and it opens with a sliding window, has this standing balcony over here with this toughened glass for your safety and security. Along with that, right over here is your dining space. और डाइनिंग स्पेस के एक्सेस में ही आ जाएगा आपका किचन। किचन में आपको मिल जाएंगे दो ऑपोजिट प्लेस्ड ग्रेनाइट स्लैब्स, जिसमें से एक एंड होता है आपके यूटेंसिल सिंक पर और यहीं पर आपको मिल जाएगी एक अमेजिंग सी विंडो भी, ताकि आपका वेंटिलेशन भी अच्छे से हो सके। यहाँ पर है आपका कॉमन टॉयलेट एंड बाथ, जिसके अंदर आपको दिया गया है यूटिलिटी सेक्शन भी, so that you can store your washing machines and all other utilities right over there. Now let's walk into the bedroom. The bedroom over here also comes with a similar big window, and not just that, they've also taken care of your wardrobe. So this place over here is the wardrobe space. It is an approximately 2 feet depth of wardrobe space that you can have, and it also has an attached toilet and bath to it right over here. And now that you've seen the place, I'm sure you are very interested in knowing कि इसका booking process कैसे किया जाए. Well, stay with me. I'm just gonna tell you how you will do it. Now that you've seen the project, I'm sure you are very curious to know कि booking process के लिए exactly क्या करना है. वो बताने से पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि Property Cloud exactly क्या है. Well, Property Cloud is a PropTech service जहाँ पे हम आपको सारे के सारे प्रॉपर्टीज का विजिट करवाते हैं ऑनलाइन, यानी कि वर्चुअली, और उसके बाद आप शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं आपकी फेवरेट प्रॉपर्टीज और उनके फिजिकल साइट विजिट पर जाते हैं सिर्फ। लेकिन इन फिजिकल साइट्स का एक और एडवांटेज ये है दैट वी प्रोवाइड यू विद अ फ्री पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप सर्विस, जिसमें हमारे सेल्स मैनेजर आपको कैब में लेकर जाएंगे आपके शॉर्टलिस्टेड प्रॉपर्टीज पर, एंड देन यू कैन सी दोस प्रॉपर्टीज एंड एनालाइज व्हिच वन डिड यू लाइक द मोस्ट. Now that you have finalized which property you have liked the most, we connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you not just the bottom price but also a zero brokerage policy. So we do not charge any brokerage from you because this is your dream home. Now, along with this, we also give you many spot payment options, booking offers and multiple discounts and also multiple vouchers if you book the property with us. Let me also tell you that we are not just present over here in Mumbai or Thane, but also we are present all across the country, in fact all across the globe. So in India, we cover major cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai and many more. Along with that, our global presence includes multiple countries like USA, Canada, Singapore, Dubai and many others. Now you want to know कि booking कैसे करनी है ना, मैं बता रही हूँ. नीचे कैप्शन में there is a link mentioned. All you need to do is very quickly click on that link and we will get in touch with you and help you buy your dream home that you have been waiting for a very long time. Very quickly do that so that we do not waste time in getting in touch with you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to keep watching such amazing property videos. This is Ekta Kapoor from Property Cloud. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.